AMT sequencer. In a step RAM mode, if you change the offset values of the table values, they aren't erased by going to hardware configuration and making changes. Options are considered for displaying the actual values in the show signal section for S, P, Q, power factor, Z, current differential, and phase power factor. AMT differential harmonics. After loading a RIO file, you can change the value of the IXF I differential column in the differential protection parameters and harmonic tab. After returning to this page, you can see the changes made. AMT synchronizer. After opening vector view, the performance area is shown in the vector diagram. The performance area between the two dashes is green. Transformer. The amount of current taken from each voltage source outputs, and in each of the trans test modes in the magnetic balance tab in the columns H1, I0, H2, I0, and H3, I0 is displayed. This has been done to detect loop connection fault in power transformers. Ground. A new room is designed to measure ground resistance, in which testing stages are written at the top of the tab respectively. It should be noted that this room is at the earliest stages of the design and in the form of a demo.